Thumbnails.
Yes. Yes. Thumbnails. Oh, yeah. What about them?
Yeah, you for sure came a long way. I'm telling you, I've been following you for years. Any advice you have for as far as thumbnails?
People, okay. All right. People hate thumbnails that make them click, but ignore thumbnails that don't make them click. You can't make people happy with this stuff. If you notice, Graham Stephan, his thumbnails are like out of proportion these days. Like they're crazy, okay? But people click on those videos. With my channel, my thumbnails now, Danny makes them, which is better than me at doing it. But the whole idea is what I do with thumbnails is transparent. I look up the video I'm gonna make, right? And whatever pops up, I look at, for example, the number 1 video, number 2, number 3. I see their thumbnails, and I basically say, hey, what can I add to that thumbnail to make it better, right? So if I want to say, hey, how to make money online, all right? It pops up all the videos on that topic. I see the best thumbnails on it, and I recreate a thumbnail with my face, obviously, and with some added value to it. Don't just copy people's stuff. That's not funny. Don't copy people's stuff. Although I did that in the beginning, but don't do that. It's not a good idea. And then you basically go based on that, and that's how you make a good thumbnail. So just like look at what other people did and use that as a template for what you can do.
You just answered about five questions in one. That's perfect.
Okay, that's awesome.